Welcome to Wayne's Wicked Workshop. Today I'm going to show you how I made these Galaxy's Edge Greeblie plates. And I'm going to show you how I designed them in Fusion 360, how I painted them, how I weathered them, and how I installed them. Let's get into the video. Oh. And don't forget to watch the video on my, my classic fire extinguisher build. Little side joke there. I'm gonna take the Allens out of the one so I could use it as a template. And then I want to mark it with my crazy fresh, what's it called? Pika Dry Long Life Automatic Pencil. It reminds me of the old time drafting pencils where you have the real thick lead. I remember having one of these as a kid. But they were like a pump. I think. Pump. Oh yeah, just like this one. But the thing that's cool about this one is you could sharpen it on the front, like this, and then you have a little kind of thing to stick it on your apron or whatever that you have. Yeah, pretty cool. I mean, I have pencils all over the place. I don't use it a lot, but I wanted to use it today. I'll give it a shot. I need to go get a level. Alright, so I'm going to center this guy. Oh. Be centered and level. We're going to go with that. The heck, I broke my lead. Huh. You gotta be kidding. Yeah. Remember when I pumped it? Yeah, I probably put it too long, and then when I when I put it in, it broke. Well, now I could show you how you sharpen it. There we go. Let's try this again. Life is always going to throw curveballs at you. You got to laugh at the devil. You know what I mean? So here we go again. All right. So now I am planning on using my little Allens here. I think they were M5s. And this is a 3/16. So it's the drill bit's just a little bit smaller than that. So my plan is to get over here. My plan is to drill these holes, and then there should be enough meat in there so that way my M5 screws get stuck in there and it'll pull it in nice. As long as I do this right, it'll be alright. There's always a way to hide your crimes, so don't worry about it. My cool little wanted poster that my friend, well, everybody knows who the Tin Man is, Mr. Brett Tinius. Maybe that sent it to me in that care package. I have a video on my YouTube channel. Go check it out. I love it. So here we go. I'm actually gonna start it a little bit in there. Find the hole. I'm going to push a little bit. Ooh. Pretty. So my hole was a little bit off on that one for some reason, but since I pushed enough, it kind of went in. Okay, this one's a little bit off too. Let me just give a little bit of So if it's sticking away from the wall a little bit, pull it back out and then push it back in again while you're giving it a little bit of juice on the arms, a little bit of stuff. So let's see how I did. Did it do well? Still level. Yeah. So now, like a goofball, got to make two templates and mark the wall. I just did the one. Now I gotta take these guys out. Which is no problem. When you get old and your hands start to hurt, you let the tools do all the work. Okay. And I just noticed that this one's flipped around the wrong way. Son of a... So I'm gonna go close to this one and do it again. And make sure it's aligned right. drill bit's going the right way. So on this one, I'm going to try something different. Oops. Oh, this one I'm going to drop everything all over the floor. So this one I'm going to put one of them in. And then I'll drill the other ones in place. Because it does really hold it well to the wall. It makes for a better template. Much easier. Much easier that way. Perfect. Careful when you're drilling in the wall that you don't pull any electrical wires or anything like that. Piping. That would be bad. You can get these on my Etsy store. I have the files for you. And if you purchase the files already and need them in different size, just hit me up and I'll gladly resize or do whatever I have to do. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And come on back. See you next time on Whitey's Wicked Workshop.
Make sure you like and subscribe and ring the bell for more of Whitey's Wicked content.